So in this tutorial we're going to look at how to automatically open a door in Unreal Engine 5 when the player gets within a certain range. So firstly, let's create an actor blueprint. So blueprint actor BP underscore door. And let's open this up. Now obviously first we're going to want to add the actual door, so SM underscore door. Let's select the static mesh door. Now as you can see here, the rotation point is in the bottom left, which is exactly what we want here. If your model has the rotation point in the middle, what you can do is you can add a scene component and move that to where you want to rotate the object. Then all you have to do is make that the parent of the door. So when you rotate the scene, the door will also move. Now in this case we don't need that, so let's delete it. And then the next step we're going to do is add a collision box. So when the player overlaps with this, we will trigger an event to open the door. So here we go, let's create this and we'll have it like that. So once that's created, let's go to on component begin overlap, and then from here let's create a timeline. Let's call this open door. So what this is going to do, let's create a float here, is this is going to gradually change a value over time. So let's create two keys in here. Let's set the time to 0 here, and then we want this door to open over the space of 3 seconds. So let's change that to 3. Let's change the length of this timeline to 3 also, and then we want it to change up to 90 degrees. So there we go. Let's compile that back to the event graph, and here you can see it's added the new track. Then we're going to want to change the relative rotation of the door. And let's go back to the viewport and see the exact axis. So here you can see it's the Z axis we need to change. So let's split this structure pen. Let's plug in the Z. Let's compile that. Go back over to our level blueprint and let's place the door inside. Make that a bit bigger. There we go. So when the player overlaps with this box, the door should open. So let's hit play. And there you can see the door opens when we overlap that box. Now what you can also do is you can get it to close when you exit this box. So if we go end overlap and we simply put that into reverse. So let's compile that. Hit play again. Then enter the box, the door opens. When we exit, the door closes. And that is it guys, that is how you automatically open and close a door in Unreal Engine 5 when you are within a certain range. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.